Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Have your Apple ID and password ready, and connect to Wi-Fi so sync completes without interruptions. Open Settings, tap your name to access Apple ID. Once there, make sure iCloud is visible and signed in. If you're not signed in, enter your Apple ID credentials now. This step authorizes mail and other services. Once done, tap iCloud to proceed. Make sure iCloud Drive and related toggles are available before enabling mail. Now you'll enable iCloud Mail itself. In Settings under your Apple ID, tap iCloud and switch on Mail. You may be asked to merge existing contacts or calendars. Choose Merge if you want a single unified set. After toggling Mail, return to the Mail app and pull down to refresh. This forces initial sync. If you don't see messages right away, give the device a minute to download headers and folders, because initial syncing can take time, depending on mailbox size. Finish by opening the Mail app and confirming your iCloud mailbox, folders, and recent messages appear. Make sure Send/Receive works by composing a short test message. If Mail doesn't sync, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to refresh authentication. This resolves most token or permission issues. If that still fails, restart the iPhone to clear transient network or app states. If problems persist, check Apple System Status or contact support with exact error messages for next steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.